Understanding Lavish Expenditures, a guide to extravagant spending. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the phrase, lavish expenditures. If you've ever wondered what it means when someone talks about spending money in a lavish way, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the nuances of this interesting phrase and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, lavish expenditures, consists of two words that are key to understanding its meaning. First, lavish means spending money freely and extravagantly, often more than necessary. It's about going beyond the basics and indulging in luxury. The second word, expenditures, refers to the act of spending money. When we put them together, lavish expenditures describe a situation where someone spends money in an extremely extravagant and often unnecessary way. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples of lavish expenditures. Buying a luxury yacht when a simple boat would do. Hosting a gala dinner for hundreds of guests with gourmet food and live entertainment. Purchasing designer clothing for everyday wear. These examples show how lavish expenditures go beyond practical spending, focusing instead on luxury, opulence, and the desire to impress. Now that you understand what lavish expenditures are, let's practice using the phrase in sentences. The billionaire's lavish expenditures on his birthday party made headlines around the world. Many celebrities are known for their lavish expenditures, from exotic vacations to custom-built homes. Despite his lavish expenditures, he realized that happiness couldn't be bought. These sentences help you see how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the extravagant nature of the spending involved. Understanding phrases like lavish expenditures enriches your vocabulary and helps you comprehend more complex English expressions. It also offers insight into cultural attitudes towards money and spending, enabling you to engage in deeper conversations about values and lifestyle choices. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and use of lavish expenditures. We hope this video has shed light on how English speakers describe extravagant spending and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to lavish your time on learning. See you in our next video.